Hello everybody! Recently I published a new IQ test, Impostor, and to my biggest surprise, the greatest imposter here are your wrong answers. So far the high score is only 18 out of this nice 30 answers. Of course, also only 5 testees so far, but one of them is a nano member, so a highest score of just 18, which is actually 22, but 22 correct answers, but for other 8 wrongs that person got -4 points, because each wrong answer is penalized with half point, and almost nobody leaves some answers empty. Empty answer brings 0 points. So here in this test is actually very beneficial to be a little humble, let's say, because the test is not so easy. It is not enough to find a logic answer. You can find very logical answer and to provide an explanation, but if I think that some other is better, I will score it with -half point. Sorry, this is the beauty of IQ high range IQ tests, that you need to find not any logical answer. This is not true only for imposter. In any high range IQ test, you need to find the best solution, and only the best solution need to bring a point to you. I remember when I was solving Logima Strictica 36, I thought that I will get all 30 correct. That was my first test. I started like that, and then I scored only 21. This is something like the highest scorer here scored 22, which was actually 18 after penalized with those 8 times half point, which is, as I already said, 4 negative points. Yes, and then with some more tests, I realized that I need to be more objective, that for each solution I need to find more solution and distinguish which one is the best. In my opinion, the best tactics to solve IQ tests is try to find all the possible solutions for some items, for any item, and if you find more solutions, try to distinguish which one is the best when you find all of them. And when you find all possible answers that you can find, and if you still cannot distinguish which one is the best, then not always. Sometimes it's really tricky. Sometimes an author can be wrong. That's possible. There is a slight subjectivity here, although I try to be as objective as I can. But in most cases, when you can't distinguish which one is better, I would say that none of them is correct. If you let's say have 2 or 3 solutions and you can't distinguish which one is better, regularly none of them is correct. Of course, it is not here for imposter like that, because actually in each item you only have 3 or 4 elements, and one of them is an imposter, that is for sure. So here you really don't have many combinations, and that is exactly the reason. That is exactly the reason why I am penalizing wrong answers here, because you can guess some items, and really some very difficult items here in Impostor are already solved, and solved with wrong logic. Some very difficult items, some people solved already. These first 5 testees solved some difficult items, and then provided wrong logic for that. And I of course give a full point for correct, but minus half point for a wrong answer, regardless of the explanation. So I can understand if you want to provide all solutions for all items in your first submission. That is actually okay, because if you answer all 30 questions from your score, you can easily calculate how many correct you have. As I already told, score 18 means actually that you have 22 correct if you provided a solution for all items. And if you you can calculate also if you do not provide. If you provide 25, for that 25 you from your score you can calculate easily how many correct you have. So this penalizing doesn't know that you will not know how many correct answers you have, but it is from I am trying to prevent guessing solutions and reaching high score only by guessing, of course. But I really expect that serious testees will do a little bit humble in their second submissions. That is not the case so far. People continue to providing all solutions no matter of the scores. I don't know what is the logic, but trust me, at one point I calculated average improvement in second submission is only 7%. So average, I shall repeat, average improvement in second submission is only 7%. So if you scored 22 correct in your first submission, then you will rarely score above 24, let's say. So if you score 22 in your first submission, it is very wise to leave 5 blanks, 5 empty answers where you have more solutions and where you are not sure which logic should be the best. Okay, I hope that this video will be helpful to some persons, because it seems that Impostor is more difficult than I originally thought, and then this first testees also thought that it was easier. And for the end, terrific news. Numerus ultra fun is almost solved. The new highest score is 29. 29. Only one problematic item was actually all items are solved, but that person didn't score one maybe not so problematic, but tricky, really tricky item. And so numerus ultra fun is really easier test. this new test. But this imposter, although it doesn't seem difficult, it is at least okay, maybe 10 to 15 items are pretty much easy, although some very easy items people do not solve. People do not solve some easy items, especially in their second attempt. They start to change what they think they are wrong, and then they do not solve. They change to wrong answers, something that is really obvious. I shall not pick this or this item here, but some of them are very easy. Also, some items were solved by my 7-year-old daughter, and some very intelligent people made those items wrong because they are looking for, I don't know for what. You need to find a simple full logic, and that's it. Really, I shall repeat that. There is one item, then several persons were wrong, and my 7 years old daughter just at once said the correct answer, and that's it. So this is just intriguing test, and I hope it will be fun. It will be fun. So on several items the logic is difficult, on several it is, let's say, tricky. So I really try to be objective. But there are answers with there are some items with more solutions, with more logical solutions, and I'm asking for the best. You need to find the best logic, and only the best solution will be awarded with a full point. Thank you for watching, and enjoy IQ tests on ultimaiq.net, actually ivets.ultimaiq.net, and on ultimaiq.net you have more material with links to some other offers in IQ world. Thank you. Actually, I shall not ask you for subscribing to my channel. Actually, I think that too many people subscribe to this channel. I'm actually not planning to publish many videos here. Actually, I was planning this to be a spiritual channel more than a channel for IQ tests, but that is a difficult stuff. I shall need to be stronger for running spiritual channel in good quality. I hope at one day this will be possible. So I shall try to publish some video from time to time, both spiritually and about IQ tests, but I am so far not planning to publish many videos here. Really, I do not. So I think that I have too much subscribers at the moment. I think that people were probably expecting more. I guess there will be no more. I'm running another YouTube channel about chess puzzles, and I'm really trying to publish new material there with much less subscribers so far, but that's it. I try to be honest to say what you have here. And anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for any like, thank you for your comments. I try to answer all your comments, all your questions. Maybe I don't see all of them immediately, so thank you for being patient. That's a good thing, that we are a small community, that I have a very small number of subscribers, and and people who are watching my videos. So I'm really now in a position to answer all questions and react to all comments. Okay, thank you once again. See you some other time.